Okay, today's like, what day was today? Wednesday, and they just lifted the lockdown. You can go to your friend's place. Around 5 people can go, and that's why I'm heading over to Don's. It's an hour drive. I'm gonna get my hard drive from him. I just bought a cheap Western Digital Elements, which I'm gonna shuck for my NAS. So we're gonna do a video about shucking, though it's not new. It's an old thing, but sometimes you try. Might. Anyway, I'm heading there now, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So I went out quickly and went to J Car, and saw a lot of electronic stuffs, and it's great. So I went in and got some electronic stuff, and yeah, I love to tinker things and DIYs and little stuffs. So I got myself a grinder. I love to do some soldering and other stuff, but don't have money now, so maybe next time. Yeah. Social distance. What happened to his face? Hindi na ako nag-feel. Pasok ka muna. Ay, okay lang. Social distancing. I have mine. Boss. Ay. Boss! Tagal ako ninakalabas. Parang ano nangyari sa'yo?
Naging hermit.
Naging hermits?
Hermit crab.
So it was a quick drive to Don, and I went over to Matt's place to drop off his drone and some files. And now I'm home. But before I got home, I went to St. Albans to check some food there. There's none. They're closed. So then I went to Papa Bear, and I was looking for some mango hopia, but they were sold out, so I was a bit disappointed. But hold on, Papa Bear, instead of having mango hopia, they have ube hopia, so Laura's gonna be happy. Yeah. Also, we got some ube custard cake, so that should be fine. So here's today's stash, just ube hopia. We got ube with, I don't know what it is, and we also have ube cake, ube custard cake, so that should be good for now. Okay, gotta close the garage door. Okay, as soon as you get home, take a shower. So just showered, and yeah,